Hello everyone, my name is Amnon Hillel, and in this video I'm going to show you where you can find the programming documentation. If you go to the main folder of the plugin, you'll see the documentation file here. Just double click it. And here we have all the functions from the plugin. Now, as you can see, I've made them all as static functions. So that means if you want to call one of them, you just type the namespace triple adaptive and then you call the function you want, and it's pretty much easy. And it's all documented here, and it's documented shortly, but I think it tells you pretty much anything you should know. That's it.